I'm Justice Dave. I'm completing 84 years of my life. I had been a lawyer for 26 years, had been with the Bar Council of India and many international organizations. After that, I became a judge. Having remained for 10 years, I became chairman of the Law Commission. Then I headed the Consumer Redressal Forum. Thereafter, I had some commission, others also, including one having Lloyds in Gujarat in 1985. And after retirement, I didn't practice, but I am doing some social services connected with NGOs, which had its affiliation with the UN also, and I had that consultative status. I'm also, incidentally, the president of All India Association of Retired Judges of Supreme Court and High Courts of India for last 4 years. So that's my introduction.
Sir, how's your experience with Trimurti Builders?
I know Trimurti Builders ever since its inception, day one. In fact, it had been started after taking blessings from me by Uday Kant Mishra. He started for his son. Uday Kant's father, Lal Baba he was known as, he was Pujari of Shila Devi and was a teacher also. He had some problem with the government, therefore he was my client when I was a lawyer, and Uday was a small kid. He used to come to me along with his father. Later on, after his father's death, he became the property broker. Then I had become a judge. He wanted to give me some properties, and he was in midst of constructing Trimurti apartments at Malviya Nagar. So he wanted to give me. I said, I will not have any deal so long as I am a judge. I'll talk to you after I get my retirement. So after my retirement, I shifted back to this place. These premises used to be a single-storied house, and with a sprawling campus of 800 square yards. It was difficult for me to maintain because all my children had got married and we were two only. Besides that, I found that there were property problems among the neighbors because of the partition. Then the dimension of this property being 140 by 290 feet, it was difficult to have the partitions because the roadside was lesser. So I thought that I should get it developed. So I myself rang up Uday that I am now retired and I will not want your services. So he said, my son has constructed the Trimurti apartment, I offered you a flat. I said, I need to see them. So I went to see them. And then I liked it. So I didn't ask anybody else. No bargaining, nothing of the sort. I told him I want 100 feet frontage, 30 feet on either side. My proposition is not to earn money out of it, but to have comfort. And that the people have good ambience around it. So I entered into a deal with him. He said, let us write down the agreement. I said, for your satisfaction, you may write down, but I have all faith in you, because I knew the family very well. So anyway, we entered into an agreement, and he told me that he will take such and such time, and he gave me premises to stay in that old Trimurti in Malviya Nagar. Then with my reference only had made Trimurti Luwadia Towers also, because Luwadia was very well known to me, and they wanted me to say something about the credentials of the party. And I said, I know them for long. So when Anand constructed it, Anand is the eldest son of Uday. So he was in charge of construction. Sharad was a student in Switzerland at that point of time, and Abhishek, of course, was very small. So he constructed, he gave me before time, before scheduled time. It was a couple of months before the time could be over. And then he gave me very, very good satisfactory work. I think Very few apartments at that ambience which you'll see from here. You'll see the garden and everything. It's not a flower season, otherwise you would have seen it. So I'm fully satisfied with this work. So I'd been with the Trimurti apartments. Thereafter, he purchased land in Nevaru. And he wanted to make Sunrise City. Sunrise City of, I think that's the name, or Sun City. Either of the two, I don't know the name. And I purchased few plots from him there also. Then I made a small sort of garden and all that in there. But later on I disposed it off after the death of my wife. And we had a very good family relations also. Uday's wife also would come to my wife's wife and all that. Thereafter he purchased some land near Phagi. So the investment which I had made in Nevaru, I made that investment and I still own about 6 small plots with him, one for each of my child and one common. Because whenever I purchase, I have 5 daughters. Whenever I purchase 5 plots and one for a common. So each of you should have a common place also to meet. So make a sort of colony for them. So now then he had Aurum also. So I saw the Aurum also. So whatever projects you make, it first comes even prior to construction of it, because designing the houses had been my hobby also. And Anand would relish it when he will discuss with me. And Sharad, I have very good, because he is in marketing and he marketed all my apartments which had to be sold. Therefore, I had good relations with him also. And this is what is a long journey. Now they are constructing in Jagatpura. And in one of the towers, I have an apartment on the ground floor. I have already booked it. So unless I would have been satisfied him, there was no question of my working almost in all these projects.
Sir, do you think we would be witness getting a positive change in society?
Of course, from the point of view that number 2, they have the commitment. The one thing which they have inherited from their ancestors, the Pujari, as I told you, Uday's father was a Pujari of Shila Devi Amer and a man of great virtues. Those virtues have been inherited by his grandchildren also. And so far as I know, nobody can say anything about it, but so far as I know, they are value-based children. All the 3 boys, they are value-based. They keep commitments.
Sir, what is the best thing of Trimurti Builders?
Completion in time as far as possible. Secondly, they do not compromise with the quality. And that is more important, that you should not take. Third thing, that they care for ambience. That there should be a good atmosphere around it, and landscaping also. That's a special feature of it. Even in this, I told him that my wife had bagged the first prize in garden for 15 years in a row in Jaipur when I had this in my own individual garden, because she was very good at gardening. And he knew it. So he had planted almost 4,000 samplings in this premises.
Sir, on the 20-year celebration, would you like to give any message?
Message is what I can only bless them. My blessings are always with them, and I always bless them, and I want them to be going up and up, and without compromising with the ethics of the profession, because there's a lot of recession these days. People are not keeping commitments. There are so many disputes coming up. I myself have several arbitrations. But I don't know that they have ever gone in litigation like that.
Thank you, sir.